to turn on or turn off WhatsApp security notification. In iPhone 14 Pro, open WhatsApp app, find WhatsApp in home screen, and then tap settings icon, select account, and then tap security notifications, and then on show security notifications on this device, tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Tap switch until green to turn on or tap switch until gray to turn off. Get notified when your security code changes for a contact phone in an end-to-end encrypted chat. If you have multiple devices, these settings must be enabled on each device where you want to get notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.